Why are you crying, honey? She doesn't know the rest of the song. That's okay. That's okay. Hey, I'm gonna get the gauze out of your mouth. Okay?
How about a song you do know?
Stop crying.
Itsy bitsy spider.
Your mouth a little bit. Alright. Alright, let's put another piece in there. Can you help?
Open wide.
Can you help me, honey, so I don't gag you?
Get the other one out too.